use the stopwatch on your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix, press and hold the menu button just right here and go down to clock and select with that button just right here and go to the stopwatch. From here you will see the actual time of the day and the time of your timer. So if you press on start, well, it start the timer. And you got just right here the lap button. So if you press on lap, it will show you the time of the lap, of the previous lap, the actual lap, and the total timer. So you can press on lap as many times as you wish, and it will count many lap. And if you want to navigate into all of your lap, you can use the down and up button just right here to go up and down, and you can keep doing new lap. And when you're done, you can press the stop button to get your final time and then reset. Finally, if you go onto option, there is only two things you can do, is to enable and disable the lap key if you don't want to use it, or you can return to the watch face, which will do exactly the same thing as if you had used the back lap button twice. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.